story about love and mission, but also about an internal person that turns history into legend.
Mario yang menarik. What is the purpose of traveling to Nigeria?
And Bandung Bondos, the prince of Penny. My purpose in coming here was because I wanted to cover the permanent king.
Brother Sanchez, what's your mouth, young man?
Don't talk too much, old man. You want to give me a kingdom? Well, or I will have to take it by force.
Prabu Boko and Bandung Bondowoso then fought. In that battle, Prabu Boko was defeated by Bandung Bondowoso.
You don't have to be as pathetic as this.
It would be better for me to die with her than to die as a loser. Besides, if I die, the one who's going to replace me is my daughter, Roro Jonathan, not you.
After saying that, Rabi Bobo then breathed his last breath.
Wilson, he has prepared his daughter to this replacement. I must kill his daughter so that I can have a permanent kingdom.
Your Majesty, there's a bad news.
What's wrong, guard?
Your Majesty, unfortunately, King Boko died in the battle against Bandung Bondowoso, the Prince of Pengging.
What? Did father really die?
That's right, Your Majesty. After Prince Bondowoso defeats the king, he will surely come here to capture Your Majesty. Shall Your Majesty leave?
No, guard. I won't run away. I will face the Prince of Pengging, and I will defend his kingdom until the last drop of my blood.
As you wish, Your Majesty.
Come out, Princess of Prambanan. I've come to ask for you to hand over your kingdom to me.
I'm here, Prince, but I will never hand you my kingdom.
Oh, look at you. Turns out the Princess of Prambanan is truly beautiful. It would be shame if I killed you. I'll make you an offer. How about you become my wife? Not only will you live in peace, but I won't show your kingdom too. How about it?
Your offer seems appealing, Prince. But can you guarantee that you won't harm my people?
Of course. But please don't worry. You'll not be my promise. If I do, you may hand me my husband.
Wait until the evening, and I will give you my decision.
Fine. I'll be happy to. While I wait, I'll take a look around the beauty of Prambanan. But remember, Princess, if you make a wrong decision and disappoint me, I can guarantee this beautiful kingdom of yours will be reduced to ashes.
I know you, Prince. I know who I'm dealing with. Of course, I won't make the wrong decision.
Good. I'm glad to hear it.
But Princess accepted the proposal of the Prince of Penguin.
For the good of this kingdom, I will accept it, even though he is the man who killed my father.
Then, what if he killed the princess too?
You don't need to worry. And then, he won't be able to make me his wife.
My goodness, Princess, I'm confused. Earlier, Your Majesty said you will accept his proposal, but now Your Majesty is saying that Bandung Bondowoso will be able to make you his wife. What does that mean?
This is it, Emban. I will put forward a condition that will be extremely difficult for Bandung Bondowoso to fulfill. As for what my request is, you just wait, because I will also ask for your help. We will fight together for the safety of our kingdom.
Yes, my lady, I will be happy to help you.
wishes. My beautiful princess. Are you ready to become my wife?
Of course, I will be very happy to be the wife of the great prince of the banking kingdom. But do you truly love me?
What makes you doubt my love?
You are handsome, prince. Of course, it's easy for you to find a woman.
But is there any other woman that is as beautiful as you?
Oh, that's such nonsense. Man always says that.
So our woman is asking for proof of a man's love. So, what kind of proof do you want from me, princess?
If you truly love me, I want you to build me 1,000 temples, all in one night. If you fail to fulfill my request, you and your entire tribe must leave this kingdom immediately and never bother my kingdom again.
Alright, I'll grant your request. But remember, you must agree to become my wife after I build 1,000 temples. If you refuse, I will not hesitate to destroy you, your kingdom, and all your people.
Alright, we have a deal. Please order the guards to collect as much hairstyle as possible on the east side of the old river. And don't forget to collect as much water as possible.
Yes, Your Majesty, but may I know whether Your Majesty needs those items for?
You will find out yourself later.
Okay, Your Majesty, I will immediately carry out your command.
Oh, human, what is your purpose in summoning me all night?
I would like to ask for your help.
I will grant your wish, but what will you give in return?
I will give you 1,000 oxen and 2,000 rooms.
I want you to pay up front.
Don't worry. After that, you might give them, but you must finish building this temple on.
Okay.
After you leave the Bandu to the farm, the King of the Jungle soldiers who wishes to have an audience.
Let him in, attendant.
Yes, my lady.
What did you see, soldier?
I saw something thoroughly terrifying, my lady. I saw Prince Banu Bondowoso asking for help from Jin the Spirit. Because of that, they are about to build a temple in a very short time. If this continues, they will finish building 1,000 temples after midnight.
I suspected that Prince Banu Bondowoso would use his supernatural powers. I have long believed that he could comment with Jin and spirits. My lady in waiting, I connect you together in convenience and beat the last murders. And you, soldier, burn the pile of straw on the east side of the Opak River.
But isn't it still the middle of the night, princess? Why should we beat the mortars at a time like this?
The sound of the murders will make the spirit of the Jinn helping Prince Nagin flee, thinking that morning has come. Also, the burning straw will make the sky turn brackish. So, the Jinn and spirit will think the sun is about to rise. Now, go carry out my order before it's too late.
My troops and I must flee at once, otherwise we will be burned.
What's happening to you all? Isn't it still the middle of the night?
Who said so? Look at the sky in the east. It's already red. And can't you hear the sound of the rise mortars? This is bad. We must stay alive. We must run.
The king of the Jinn and his troops fell. The eastern sky had turned red and waters were being beaten loudly. Royal Donga's plan succeeded.
Well, Prince, have you finished the 1,000 emerald army?
How dare you! You ruined my efforts. You, when the Jinn and the spirits helping me flee in panic.
And I really that powerful, Prince. I can even see the Jinn and the spirit.
Don't play with words, Jongra. The red sky and the sound of the mortars being beaten, it must have been your doing. Because you have challenged my efforts. I will curse you to become the 1,000th temple.
Don't kill her! Kill me instead. I love her.
You are supposed to be on my side. You, Royal Jongra, I will curse you to become the 1,000th temple.
Royal Donga turned into a temple. but she managed to save her people. Before meeting Bandung Bondowoso, she had already ordered them to evacuate